How to fix a smartphone that won't charge. Are you frustrated because your smartphone won't charge? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, we'll guide you step by step through the process of fixing a smartphone that won't charge. Whether it's an Android or iPhone, these troubleshooting tips can help you identify the issue and get your phone back to full power. Let's get started. Step 1. Inspect the charging cable and adapter. The first step is to check the basics, your charging cable and adapter. Inspect the cable for fraying, bends, or cuts. Look closely at the adapter for any visible damage. Sometimes, the issue isn't with your phone, but with the charging accessories. To test this, try using a different cable and adapter. If they work, then you've found the culprit. Step 2. Check the charging port. Next, examine the charging port on your phone. Over time, dirt, dust, and lint can accumulate inside the port, blocking the connection. Use a flashlight to inspect it. If you see debris, take a toothpick, a soft brush, or compressed air and gently clean it out. Be careful not to damage the port pins during this process. Step 3. Restart your phone. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve charging issues caused by software glitches. Press and hold the power button to restart your phone. Once it turns back on, plug in the charger and check if it's working. Step 4. Try a different power source. If your phone still won't charge, the issue could be the power source. Test different outlets or use a power bank to rule out problems with the electrical supply. A faulty outlet can prevent your charger from delivering power to your phone. Step 5. Inspect for software issues. Sometimes, software issues can interfere with charging. Check if your phone is running the latest software version. Go to Settings Software Update and install any available updates. These updates often fix bugs that might be causing charging problems. Step 6. Test wireless charging. If your phone supports wireless charging, test it using a wireless charger. If it charges this way, the problem could be with the charging port rather than the battery or other internal components. Step 7. Check the battery. If your phone is still not charging, the battery might be the issue. Over time, batteries degrade and may need to be replaced. If you have a removable battery, try replacing it with a new one. For non-removable batteries, you might need professional assistance to replace it. Step 8. Factory reset as a last resort. As a last resort, perform a factory reset. Before doing this, back up all your important data. A factory reset can fix deep software problems that might be preventing your phone from charging. Step 9. Seek professional help. If none of these steps work, it's time to consult a professional. A technician can diagnose hardware issues like damaged internal circuits or charging ports that require repair. And that's it. These steps should help you resolve most charging issues with your smartphone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future tech troubleshooting tips. Got questions or additional tips? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.